Now, iOS 18 and later iOS update, Apple users can schedule send messages in a message. Here's Carly, and I will see the complete guide on how to use this feature. First, launch the Messages app. Open the iMessage conversation or send the message to a new contact by tapping the compose icon at the top right corner. Type the name and find the contact you want to send the schedule a message. We can use this feature only with iMessage enabled on that phone. You can see blue text, which means the iMessage is enabled on this number. Now, type a message you want to schedule, like a reminder, birthday wish, New Year, and personal message. Now, don't press the send button yet and tap on plus icon next to text box. Again, tap on more option and see send later option. Now, select date, time with AM or PM. I am sending a message for the morning to select AM, otherwise, select PM. Now, tap on the send button to set the schedule. That's it. We can reschedule, delete, or send now if you wish. Tap on the edit option above the schedule message to reschedule and change the time. Tap on edit time and change it. Now, tap somewhere else to save the changes. At the same time, iPhone will play a sound. That means changes are saved, and you are done. To send schedule message for now, tap on edit button and select send message option. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't miss to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And comment for more help.